In this lecture I will tell you that how to create media player on the website. This is a very simple and very easy to create media player on the website page. Let us start coding an HTML language to create media player on the website page. We open the notepad from the menu and I have already opened the notepad. Now we start the coding. Please see. Then title. In title we write the media player. Close the title. Next head. Head and in the head we write nothing, only head. Next, the next step is the body. Body of the web page. Next, in the body we write the type the code to create the media player on the website. And this we use h1 is for the head. Here we write the play. Here we say the audience to play the video, audio or media player. Close the h1 tag. After the h1 we start the media player coding, the video player coding. Video controls. We set the media player width 400 and close. Here we close the video player tag. Close. Next we close the body. Okay. At the end we close the HTML. After typing this code we go to the file and click on save as. We save it on the desktop. Give the name media player .html is a necessity to write. Click on the save. So minimize the notepad and see where this is the net browser. Open the file as we save on the desktop. The media player is show. Here you can see this is the media player. Okay, show here is to play and this is I zoom player. So this is the volume or mute. Here is mute volume, and here when you open you can see the volume, increase or decrease the volume. This is to extend the full screen. This is the full screen is open. If you back, click on the here, the media player is open. This is the media player. As you can see, if you understand that my video is good video and lecture is for you easy to understand for you, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks.